30 years ng kaibigan ng ating couple. So, I think talaga nga namang marami po kaming mga maririnig na bagong kaalaman mula sa inyo.
Anyway, first and foremost, congratulations, pre. And Mars, 25 years. I mean, grabe. Ilan taon na tayo, babes? Halos sabay tayo, no? Okay. Magkakasunod lang po kasi ho kami nagligawan, katulad po na nabanggit ni Ate Nora, lahat po ng members ng choir, hindi na ho lumayo. Hindi. Hindi na po lumayo. Kung sino pa yung nandoon, yun na yun. Well, anyway, I'm so proud for 25 years. More than 30 years na po kaming magkakasama nila Egay, and not a dull day. Definitely. We have our shares of fights. We have our shares of tampuhans. We have our shares of fun. We have our shares of happiness. But we're still here. Sa totoo lang, marami ho kaming hindi pinagkakaintindihan. Pero dahil po dun sa subok at tatag ng pagsasamahan po namin lahat, pinagbibigyan na lang ho namin yung isa't isa. Ganun po namin kamahal ang isa't isa. Definitely. I'll be blunt in saying na hindi ho palaging roses yung pagsasamahan po namin magkakaibigan. Katulad na ho ng na-mention ko kanina, talagang marami rin ho kaming pinag-awayan, marami ho kaming pinagtampuhan. Pero because we love each other, we're still here. Anyway, happy anniversary. We love you. Another 25 years. Sana buhay pa tayo in their 50th year anniversary. I love you guys.
Once again, palapakan mo natin si Atty.